Yes, Casey shouted. Because she's funny. I want the
Do
camera.
bunnies
I
shout?
want the camera.
That's a finger. I'm giving you the finger.
It's like my finger. It looks like my finger. See? My finger.
YouTube's gay. I hope you die, YouTube.
Yeah. You go shoot yourself.
YouTube made
in
us
the
delete.
head.
Oh, YouTube made us delete the best part of our video. That was dancing to "Don't Trust Me."
So how
And
do you
they
like me now,
claim-
YouTube?
They claimed that it was copyrighted. Yeah, and they claimed the song theirs.
I'm gonna fart on your face, YouTube.
And our
Fart.
and our improvisation on the dance moves was so good, and it was like bam, bam, bam. Yeah, it was such a good dance routine. I think we should just upload it and like take out the music and just do the dancing.
But then it won't make sense.
Yeah, what makes
It
sense?
won't make sense. Now let's do the video.
9 minutes left.
You know what's still recording.
Yeah, I know. It's still recording.
Oh, I'm gonna poo on YouTube. Watch. Let me make a butt crack with my. Didn't work. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna poo. Ow! Guys, I'm too loud. What's
Yo, daddy gonna come out and shoot us.
Yo, daddy.
Yo, mama. Yo, mama.
Shoot up, fatty.
Ready? Say YouTube.
YouTube.